All right, all my military folks, today I'm going to give you the top 4 things you need to know when it comes to VA loans.
You better get fired up!
All right, so I'll tell you from experience, the VA loan is a pretty misunderstood loan, right? Not a lot of lenders have used it, not a lot of realtors have used it, and if you're not a vet, a lot of times as a seller, when you see that buyer's offer come in and it says VA, 0% down, it can be a little scary, right? So today I'm going to give you the top 4 things, whether you are a vet or not, that you need to know when it comes to VA loans. Okay, so number 1 is the big differences between the 3 major loan types, right? You've got conventional loans, FHA loans, and VA loans. With a conventional loan, you generally have about 20% down, right? The goal of a conventional loan is to get rid of private mortgage insurance, okay? So when you put 20% down, you got 20% skin in the game. They're gonna get rid of that private mortgage insurance and save you a big load of money every single month. When you're working with an FHA loan, yeah, you only gotta put 3.5% down, but you now have the added cost of private mortgage insurance. Private mortgage insurance is gonna cost you anywhere between $30 and $70 a month for every $100,000 that you're buying that house for. And then we got the VA loan, right? The one we're talking about. You can get in with 0% down, and the nice thing about a VA loan, there's no PMI, okay? You're gonna be paying roughly the same rates as you would be paying with a conventional or an FHA, and it is a monster help to any vet out there. All right, guys, if you're digging this video, don't forget to check out my Instagram page. And if you want daily stats on what's going on in the Treasure Coast, just head over to my Facebook business page and I will blow your mind. All right, so number 2 is you need a certificate of eligibility, right? If you're a vet coming in, you have to prove to the VA that you actually deserve that VA loan. So the most common way to prove it is to show them your DD-214. Everybody in the military knows what a DD-214 is. If you're not in the military, a DD-214 are the papers that you get the day that you leave the military saying, hey, you're out, congratulations. So to apply for that certificate of eligibility, you can do it 2 ways. If you've got a lender who's got the experience doing this, you can simply ask your lender and they'll walk you through it, right? Pretty easy. If you don't, or you want to be proactive, all you got to do is go to the eBenefits website, or you can call 1-800-983-0397. They're open from 8 to 8 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and you can apply right online. All right, so number 3 is the unfortunate part. I'm sorry, vets, but there's a little thing called the VA funding fee, okay? The VA funding fee is put in place to get you to have a little bit of skin in the game, but fortunately, they let you roll it all into the financing, okay? So your VA funding fee is a few $1,000s, generally speaking, but you can go look it up online, right, the eBenefits website, but it's dependent on 3 things. All right, number 1, it's dependent on if this is the first home you've ever bought with a VA loan, or if it's the second or later home that you've ever bought with a VA loan, right? Number 2 is how much you put down. They've broken it into 3 tiers. You've got 0% to 4%, 5 to 9%, and 10 plus. The more you put down, the lower that fee is. And then third, they want to know if you were active or if you were Reserve or National Guard. If you're active, it's a little bit less. If you're National Guard or Reserve, it's a little bit more. All right, and then the last thing is going to blow your mind, man. In almost every county in the United States, you're allowed to take out up to $484,350, dependent on your income, but there are a few, I'm guessing 5 to 10% of counties that are a little bit higher or lower, depending upon the costs that it takes to live in that area. All right, to all my vets watching, thank you so much. I appreciate your service. If there's ever anything I can do for you, including giving you more information on VA loans, do not hesitate to reach out. You can send a comment below. You can DM me, whatever it takes to get in touch with me, feel free. And if you like this video, go down and hit like. If you loved it, go down and hit subscribe. And you guys, stay fired up.